Hey everybody, welcome back. And today I'm making Hawaiian chicken. And for this you'll need approximately 2 pounds of chicken, skinless, boneless, and I'm using breast. And just cut that up in a little more than bite-sized pieces. And then you're going to put that in a skillet and cook that for probably about 20 minutes on medium-low heat. And just let that simmer and cook thoroughly. While the chicken is cooking, go ahead and get together your other ingredients. And you will need a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup firmly packed brown sugar, and 1 cup of pineapple juice. And those 3 ingredients you're going to add to the chicken after it's cooked. So also, in addition to those ingredients, set aside about another 1/4 cup of pineapple juice and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And I'll show you what to do with those in a little bit. The soy sauce has a lot of salt, so don't add any additional salt. You're going to continue cooking the chicken for probably about 30 minutes, but you'll know when it's done, just check it. And then after it's done, you can drain it. After your chicken is cooked, go ahead and drain any remaining liquid. And now you're going to add about a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of pineapple juice. And just stir that and mix it well. Continue cooking that for another 10 to 15 minutes until everything's well blended. If you prefer to cook this dish in the crock pot, you can do that. Just add all of the ingredients, including the additional cornstarch and pineapple juice, and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours. As this continues to cook, I'm going to go ahead and make some rice. And you all know I'm all about easy. And so I don't know if you've tried this rice before that you just leave in the package and put in the microwave. And this is Uncle Ben's, and I've chosen garden vegetables to go with this meal. So just vent the package on top by tearing it a couple inches and microwave it for 90 seconds and it's ready. To thicken this up more, I'm going to make a thickening slurry. You usually use water, but I'm going to use between 1/4 and 1/3 cup of pineapple juice. And then I'm adding a heaping tablespoon of cornstarch to that. I'm going to mix that well and pour that over the chicken in the pan and cook that for another 2 to 3 minutes. And it thickens up very quickly and it gives a lot of added flavor. After you pour the slurry in over the chicken, it will thicken up very quickly, so don't leave it. Just stand there and stir it constantly and keep an eye on it. Also, if you would prefer to have bell peppers and onions in this dish, that would also be very good. You would just saute those first and then cook those in with your chicken before you put the slurry in, and that would make it a little tastier. I just didn't have any, so I didn't add it to it. This recipe tastes great though without the onions and bell peppers. So it's just whatever you have on hand and whatever you prefer, just do that. Using pineapple juice and cornstarch instead of water and cornstarch really just took this over the top. It added a ton of flavor, so I hope you try that. This smells so good. I wish you could smell it. I wish I had smell-o-vision. I'm going to go ahead and put together a very simple salad using pre-cut salad mix. It's also pre-washed, but I always wash that again, and I'm just going to put some of that into my trusty little salad spinner. Wash that, and then I'm going to add some feta cheese and cheddar cheese. And I'm using raspberry salad dressing. Just use whatever you have on hand, whatever you prefer. I think the raspberry dressing over the salad goes very well with this chicken dish. As always, I'd like to thank you very much for stopping by. Enjoy your day.